Emergent Fidelity Technologies filed for Chapter 11 in U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware to pursue a form of joint administration between its case and FTXs. Emergent Fidelity Technologies, a Sam Bankman-Fried holding company based in Antigua and Barbuda, has filed for bankruptcy protection. According to court records filed on February 3, Emergent Fidelity Technologies submitted a voluntary petition to declare bankruptcy under a Chapter 11 filing in United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware. The company was already the target of a lawsuit filed by crypto lending firm BlockFi in November regarding the status of roughly 55 million shares of Robinhood. The Robinhood shares worth more than $590 million at the time of publication have been a point of contention among parties including BlockFi, FTX creditor Jonathan Ben-Shimon, and Bankman-Fried himself. The Justice Department announced on January 6 it had seized the shares as well as roughly $20 million in US dollars as part of the case against FTX and its executives. Emergent Fidelity Technologies claimed ownership of the shares and the $20 million as its only known assets, previously held by brokerage firm Marex Capital Markets before the DOJ seizure. According to a declaration by Angela Borkhouse, one of the joint provisional liquidators in the case, Emergent Fidelity Technologies filed for Chapter 11 in the same court as FTX to pursue a form of joint administration between the two bankruptcies. The joint provisional liquidators' duties are to the debtors' creditors, whoever those creditors may be, said Borkhouse. Given the many parties claiming to be creditors or outright owners of the Robinhood shares, in proceedings in the U.S., the JPLs believe that Chapter 11 protection is the only practical way to empower the debtor to defend itself, the assets, and its creditors' interests in the U.S. According to Borkhouse, Bankman-Fried owns 90% of the firm, and FTX co-founder Gary Wang owns the remaining 10%. Bankman-Fried's criminal trial is scheduled to begin in October, while Wang has already pled guilty to fraud charges.